Hi everyone, so if your old laptop cannot connect to your home Wi-Fi network, but it is able to see all other networks, so for example, this is my Wi-Fi tethering, but it is not able to see my home Wi-Fi connection, so it is most likely due to the wireless setting in your router. So you need to go to the router admin page. So for example, I'm using my TP-Link router here. So in my case, my router admin page is located in this address, and you need to check with your internet service provider regarding what will be the password for the admin page and what will be the address as well. Okay, so let's proceed, assuming you already have the password for this. So my router is this TP-Link. So I'm going to the wireless settings here. So you can see that I have two wireless networks, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Usually all devices will connect to the 2.4, but in this case I cannot connect to both. So let's just do some settings for the 2.4. Let's go to the advanced. Under wireless, you can go to wireless settings. You can find similar settings in your router if it is a different brand. So in my case, this is under wireless settings. You can also find it as wireless mode, for example. And in this case, wireless mode is set to BGN-AX mixed. And then under here, you will see two options. And the BGN is like the legacy mode. You can choose this one. So usually the problem is with these two settings, the mode or channel. So in here, for example, you can see auto or numbers, but I will recommend you to try this one first and then you press save. And then let's head over back to our old laptop to see whether we see the Wi-Fi network already. We are back in our old laptop, and then this is what we see so far. Now you already have the Wi-Fi connection, and let's just try to connect this. It should be able to, because previously we don't even see the Wi-Fi network. And right now it is connecting to internet. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.